Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds LG TONE Free from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have button what called disconnect. And to disconnect your earbuds you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds from your phone and you tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you click at the forget, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you want to totally remove it, you need to unpair your earbuds. But let's return to disconnect. So I tap on it. Now I can go back, and right here, as you can see, I just tapped Bluetooth connection, not connected with my phone. I leave it at the device list, so I easily can reconnect these earbuds by tap at my device here. If your earbuds is turned on and connected, I mean that you have it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!